like to officially welcome y'all to Lake Chickahominy. I'll be completely honest, I have not been too successful so far. I've tried a couple times and not caught anything, but I'm feeling good about this morning. I've got some extra time and I'm gonna figure them out. I'm gonna catch at least one fish, hopefully. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. With a tried and true Senko. Because why not? Felt like a good bait to knock the skunk off the boat right away with. And then I can figure out something more precise to try and go for other species or a larger fish. Looking for any bites right now in these flats. This says cast here. That's what it says. Did I give it a bite or no? I thought I did. Maybe I just wanted to. Something I noticed pretty quickly in this lake is that there is a ton of grass, especially this time of year. So one of the struggles I was facing was trying to figure out what bait to throw through all that grass to try and get something down to where the bass were. There could be fish. Oh no. I started throwing a Mondo worm to try and see if maybe a bigger worm out in deeper water would maybe get a bite for me. The next thing I picked up was a deep diving crankbait because I thought maybe if I could find the edge of the grass, there would be bass targeting that in slightly deeper water, but that was not the case. Okay, cast it out there. Okay, I think I need to let it drop a good bit, and then just reel it back through that freaking grass. I feel like it's gonna get smoked. Okay, it picked up some of the bad grass, and it hooked itself. Oh, good. Okay. It hooked itself and picked up grass. So now what I'm throwing is an all-white swim jig with a trailer of a Swimbait, and I'm just trying to reel it through the grass, hoping to find a bass that is just waiting for something to swim by. With this being a lake I've never been to before, I was really trying to cycle through baits, but also give them a certain amount of time to where I really felt like they had a chance of the bass seeing them, because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just I wasn't around the bass, and I was really just hitting a lot of spots with each bait to give them a good chance, because every single one that I tied on I had confidence in, and after a certain amount of time I would just switch to something else. this point, about 3.5 hours have gone by, and I finally decide to switch to the other side of the lake. Something if I caught a fish at all right now. Okay. It's gonna be something if I catch a fish at all. I mean, actually. Oh my gosh, a fish. I've got a fish. I have a fish. It's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Net that thing. Net that thing. I caught a bass. Normally I wouldn't get so excited over a bass, just a single bass, but oh my gosh, it has been a grind. It has been a grind. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. That's a nice bass too. That might be 2 pounds, 1.5. Let me put some hands on this thing. Let me put some hands on this thing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hook popped right out. Oh my gosh. All right, we're ready. How much does he weigh? Come on. Oh, look at that. 282. Come on. 262. 262. All right. I think she's ready now. Yeah. Stay where I want to for very long. Kind of getting cold very quickly. What are those, cypress trees? I love them. Whatever they are. I really do love them. I think they're... So here at the end, I'm wrapping it up. I caught that one bass, and I'm just trying a few more casts on that side, but couldn't seem to get anything else. So stay tuned for the next video when I try a new technique. Thank you very much for watching.